Q1. The size of the earth or ground wire is based on the A. Maximum fault current carrying capacity through the ground wire, B. Rated current carrying capacity of the service line, C. Depends on the soil resistance, D. Both A and C.
Current answer. D. Both A and C.
Q2. Earth wire or ground wire is made of Option A. Copper, Option B. Aluminium, Option C. Iron, Option D. Galvanized steel.
Current answer D. Galvanized steel.
Q3. Average resistance of human body is A. 500 ohms, B. 1000 ohms, C. 1500 ohms, D. 2000 ohms.
Current answer B. 1000 ohms.
Question 4. Generally, earthing is provided for A. For the safety of the equipment, B. For the safety of the operating personnel, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above.
Current answer, option C, both A and B. Q5. Grounding resistance should be designed such that A. Grounding resistance should be as low as possible. B. Grounding resistance should be as high as possible. C. Grounding resistance should be always 0. D. None of the above. Current answer, A. Grounding resistance should be as low as possible.
4Q6. For an EHV equipment for maintenance, first it should be isolated and connected to ground because A. To provide low impedance, B. To discharge the charging capacitance to ground, C. For protection of operating personnel, D. Both B and C.
Current answer D. Both B and C.
Q7. When earth fault occurs, A. Voltage potential at the earth mat increases due to earthing VV ground grid. B. Voltage potential at the earth mat decreases due to earthing. C. Voltage potential at the earth mat remains 0 irrespective of fault. D. None of the above, X4.
Current answer. Voltage potential at the earth mat increases due to earthing. Question 8. The objective of earthing or grounding is A. To provide as low resistance as possible to the ground, B. To provide as high resistance as possible to the ground, C. To provide flow of positive, negative and zero sequence currents, D. None of the above. Current answer, A, to provide as low resistance as possible to the ground. Q9. Moisture content in the soil blanks the earth resistance. A, increases, B, decreases, C, does not affect, D, none of the above. Current answer, B, decreases.
Q10. Factors on which soil resistance depends. A. Depth of the electrode. B. Moisture content of the soil. C. NaCl, that is salt in the soil. D. All of the above.
Current answer, D, all of the above.
पार्ट 2 देखने के लिए चैनल को लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। ऐसे ही अर्थिंग की आसान और ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए बेल आइकन भी दबा दें।